guys, as you saw in our last video, this week's theme is make the best out of the rest of your summer. So in today's episode, we're showing you 2 fun and cool science experiments that you can do at home this summer. So welcome to Kicles Lab!
Kicleshow.
For our first experiment, we're making foaming monsters. And to do that, you will need dish soap, vinegar, sodium bicarbonate, funnel, food coloring, empty bottle, green and white paper, tape, pencil, scissors, and googly eyes. And you will also need a tray. Start by drawing a stairs pattern on your green paper to make the monster stay. Cut it out. Then, fold your paper and draw the hands and the legs. Cut them out. Connect everything to your bottle using tape. Add the googly eyes. On the white paper, cut a zigzag line for the teeth. Tape that to the rim of the bottle. When you're done, you'll have something that looks like this. Place your monster in a tray. Half fill the bottle with vinegar. Add a good squirt of dish soap. And some drops of food dye. Gently swirl the bottle to mix the contents. Add a spoon of bicarbonate of soda. Foam will come out of the monster's mouth. Now what's going on? When you mix vinegar and bicarbonate of soda, it makes a gas called carbon dioxide. This forms bubbles in the vinegar. The bubbles of gas react with the dish soap to make foam. The whole combination reacts so much that the foam pours out of the monster's mouth. For our second experiment, have you ever seen a balloon inflate by itself? To do that, you will need vinegar, bicarbonate of soda, an empty bottle, a funnel, and a balloon. Roll a piece of paper into a funnel and use that to add bicarbonate of soda into the balloon. Add some vinegar into the empty bottle. Place the balloon over the bottle and empty the bicarbonate of soda. The balloon inflates. This experiment uses the same concept as the previous one, where the carbon dioxide produced goes into the balloon and inflates it. Hey guys, if you want to try any of these experiments at home, make sure to get your parents' permission and help so that you can stay safe. And if you do try these at home with your parents, upload a photo to Instagram with the hashtag KiclesLab and go follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages that are in the description down below. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Bye!